herself and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Chicks Mwangi. I want to show you on how much I spend in my grocery shopping. As you see in my thumbnail, it is all about grocery shopping. Where do you do your grocery shopping, guys? Do you do on a Mama Kibanda's shop, Mama Kibanda, or do you do on a Soko? So stay tuned to our today's video. Guys, remember to like this video, press the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment. It supports my channel more. So don't forget to press the notification, guys, because anytime I upload you will be notified. And now let us get to our today's video. Guys, for those who are asking whether I normally do more videos, yes, I normally post 2 videos in a week. So consider going to my description box. I normally put all the links according to how I have uploaded my videos. Let's get to our today's video. I have talked a lot. Guys, hey, if you buy your green groceries to your Mama Kibandas, you'll never save any coin. So for me, we will start with our tomatoes. And so this is my tomato. It costed me for 150, but kumbuka nyanya zimepanda. So those are my nyanyas. Mimi huwa nina mix. So nikimix huwa inanisaidia huwa zilaipe na laka. So next, you see these gingers, I bought them for 50 shillings. You see, they are a lot. Huwa nina take juice ya ginger, na huwa natengeneza ginger na blend na chunga hiyo maji, then naweka kwa chupa na kunywa choco primo nayo. So I also bought these bananas. I bought the light one for smoothie. I also bought I also bought this one, but kuna zenye hazijaripen poa. I also bought the green ones. Hizi ni za kupika mokimo. Waru zimepanda 150 kasuku. Can never be me. Oh, what is this? Guys, I also bought the Sandra. Zinaitwaje na kizungu? It was going for 4 pieces for 10 shillings. Guys, if you want to know the hacks of where I do go for my groceries, if you live around me, comment down below. I will show you. So let's put here. That is our mix Sandra na our oranges. Guys, sisi tunapenda, we normally write the Kienyeji. Another thing, you see these kitungus. Imagine this is a half a kilo. 1 kilo was going for 120 shillings, but I decided to buy a half because we normally use these ones for making hot dogs. Yes, hot dogs and maybe some other meats. Guys, nimewambia huwa tunatengeneza nini. We like the Kienyeji. These are the Dorokos. So I don't know what is the name of Dorokos. Doroko and the Managus. For those one, I bought for 40 shillings. I bought a lot of them. See, guys, if you want me to do on how to store your green groceries in your fridge, comment down below, because I will show you, stay tuned. I will show you how all the process of how I prepare my fridge, how I stock all the veggies. So stay tuned for our next video. I also bought our green capsicum. We normally don't take the yellow and the red one. So I bought this one for, I think I bought for 40 shillings. They were going for 3 for 10 bob. So if we took one, tunapika moja 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 moja. So this is for the stews. Hey, you see these danias? You see how fresh they are? Imagine for a bunch, we normally buy them for 30 shillings. But this round, hey, that's why I'm telling you that the economy that we are in, Mungu tu aingilie kati juu kuna watu tarara njaa. For this one, I bought a half of it. So for a bunch, it was going for 30 shillings. And this one, so I decided to buy a half because I normally take it by myself. This one. Guys, good that we normally use. You see this one? You see? Yamahuti. The stem onion.
Jesus is Lord.
So, for this one, it goes for 1, 2, 3. For this one, I bought for 10 bob, 3 bunches. But when you buy to our down here to our mama's kibanda, you will buy this one for 5 bob. So you will buy it for 15 bob. So I saved for 5 bob. So I bought that one. Oh, guys, you know we are on avocado. Avocado avocado. So we are on avocado season. Hey, I bought a lot. Hey, you see, I bought 4 of them are light. See, imagine one was going for 5 bob. I think yes, it was going for 5 bob. So that those one are light. Hey, you see, hizi zote zilikost mia. Hey guys, imagine for a piece here to our mama's kibanda, I normally buy this one for 20 shillings. So can you imagine how many and how much have I saved? Guys, hacks za kuishi maisha if you're single. Hey, lazima ujue mashimo. Yes. Na venye soko iko karibu. No. Guys, for the greens, I have shown you the Kienyeji ones. And so I also bought the spinach. The spinach for 100 and that, I think I bought for spinach zanini za 20 bob. They are very a lot. I also bought for the sukuma wikis. Sukuma wiki ni mingi yake. Guys, if you want me to show you how to store your sukuma wikis and your kales and your spinach and the kienyeji, comment down below. I'll do a whole video of them. Guys, let us now talk about the cabbage. Hey. You see, this cabbage, they were going for 50 shillings last month, this one. But imagine this whole cabbage, I bought it for 30 bob. So I bought 2 pieces. Guys, if you want me also to do a video to show you how to preserve your cabbage in your fridge, comment down below. Subscribe if not yet subscribed. Guys, let's like this video. So I bought 2 of them. You see. Aki kutengeneza thumbnail na kwa ngumu. You see, guys? Yes, two of them, and they are very heavy. How do you look whether the cabbage that you have taken is good? Huwa tunagonga gonga, ukisikia inatoa kisauti kizito, wewe juu hiyo si cabbage, alafu you weigh like this. Guys, and that is the end of our today's video. There is so many things that I've not bought, but I will bought them. Meanwhile, like the video, subscribe, comment down below. How are you surviving with this economy? Guys, thank you so much for watching our today's video. Share with your friend. Don't forget to go on my description box, watch the other videos. Remember to like. If you have not pressed the subscription button, press it. Press the notification bell too. Bye, guys.